All right, guys. We just checked out an exhaust system right now. For a while now, I've been wanting the HK's Carbon TI, and it's one of my I would say my dream exhaust. And we checked one out, second hand, but it's in really good condition. And honestly, I'm pretty hype on this. I'm going to insert a clip of it on a cold start or a warm start. Let me say it's a warm start. But yeah, I'm pretty hype. We'll cut out to the next clip. Picking it up. All right, guys, good morning. So it's been a few days since I picked up the exhaust. I've been pretty excited. I haven't really been able to do anything to it so far. It's been the weekend. Today's Monday. I picked it up on Saturday, and the last clip I showed you guys was on Wednesday or Thursday. I'm not sure. I would have to verify. But yeah. So we're going to the shop right now. It's early. Well, it's not that early, but it's early in the morning. We're going to shop, gonna get in a day's work, then probably later down today, or if we have a chance during the day, start working on it. It has a couple things that need to be sorted out on it, like cleaning up and polishing some metal and straightening out a piece, but it should be pretty simple. So let's get to the shop and start working on it. Alright, so here we got the HK's Carbon TI. Just took off some heat wrap that I had back here just so it wouldn't scrape. I took off the hanger. I need some love. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna give it a quick clean, try to polish up the carbon fiber, and try to clean up the tip and straighten it out, because it seems like it has a little bit of a hip right here and right here. So we're gonna see if we can make this look as new as possible. Also, I'm gonna try to polish this up as best as possible. Sorry for the background noise. They're working at the moment, but yeah, let's try to make this look as new and as best as possible. So yeah, let's get to it. So went through it with the red Scotch pad, cleaned out the stainless, brushed it off, had some stuff stuck on it. But yeah, so now you can see this is the part that was covered by this bracket. So what we're gonna do, try to get some light polishing, try to bring this to the glossiest finish we can. Just with some light polishing. So let's get to doing that. So I'll be going at it lightly with just a little rotary tool, just a I want to say a microfiber pad, not really sure, just a random pad I had laying around, and just some light finishing polish, just to try to get that finish, back to a nice shine. So just gonna get to it. I think it actually made a difference. This is the not polished. This is the original. And there's the polished. So I'm gonna just hit the whole thing, go through it completely, and we should get this to a nice shine and finish. I think we should be able to get some really good results. So let's get to it. I mean, it's not perfect, but I mean, that pop. So now I'm gonna try to hit the other part with metal polish, try to get some shine. Hopefully I don't take this off. If not, I'm gonna have to reburn it. But yeah, I'm gonna take the carbon off, hit all this with the metal polish, try to get that shine back. No, what the fuck? What the fuck? Yo, that's pretty clean. I'm pretty hyped on that. So I guess I'm gonna keep going out on my way and doing the rest, hoping that we could do the same with the tip. Looks good. So I've gone through it. I hit it with some sealant, cleaned up the hardware, cleaned up the bracket, cleaned up everything as much as I could. So now what I'm gonna do next is on the tip, I'm gonna try to get it as round as possible because it does have a couple of hits on it and some scarring, some battle scars from being such a big ass bazooka. But let me try and straighten that out. Seems like we got it all out. But yeah, now all we gotta do is just finish cleaning it up, polish it, buff it, better said, buff off whatever we have left on, put everything back on, and just get some glamour shots. So yeah,